Hey, are you Kyle's dad?
Yeah, who are you?
I'm Billy's dad, and your boy's been getting my son into trouble. That spawn of Satan is your boy? Who you calling a spawn? Oh, come on, that boy needs Jesus. Hey, at least he's honest, unlike your juvie-bound Kyle. Okay, what are you doing at my house? I'm just trying to figure out how we straighten these boys out. Well, all they do is hunt and fish, and we can't take that away from them. Yeah, that'd be un-American. We could make them do some old school labor. What, like throwing hay bales or something? I'm thinking something a little more annoying. What you got in mind? Did your daddy ever make you